Wow, new phone.
Yes.
Shin, Di Wang Li Ong, and Tai Chan. Questions or clarification, class?
Say hi to the vlog. Ay pala, nag-intro ka na.
Nakalimutan ko kanina eh. Dapat nung umaga ako. Nag-makeup ako. Wala, nakalimutan ko. Nag-all-nighter ako eh.
Dapat 12 pa lang, welcome to the vlog. Group!
Singa ako. Done with PE.
Agar.
Ano next up? Guys, let's just stairs. Pababa naman siya eh. Ang haba oh.
Take 2.
Nakakatawa na kami.
Jisoo. Yung kumanta ng flower.
Auntie na lang. Pericos, that's like what you say when you're explaining something. Pericos. Or yun yung presyo ng isang bilihin, yung cost. Isa pong mango shake pa. Salamat po.
Jisoo.
Tama ka na, babe. Kuya, may suka. I love banana shake.
Ay, hindi. Uwi na pala ako bukas.
Ay, this is my order. Sa bananas eh. Ang sarap ng wala.
Naumay nga ako sa kanya.
Sa'yo.
Kaulan?
LC. Yun yung kapag laway contest ka. Kanina may visit. Di ba yung visit na skirt? Sabi ko yun yung kapag naiinis ka na. May visit ka na. Yung discussion yun. Di ba yung test your flexibility? Kaya di maganda na ruler. Visit. Visit. Hindi. Kala ko may nakita. Hindi. Kasi pag naiinis, yun yung kondo niya. Bisita.
This is so cringe.
Ano? Lang yung tama, bisita. Yun yung kapag may nang dadala sa bahay.
Hyper ni Tato sa siyang kasi yung katabi.
So lang po kayo nareto sa akin.
Me?
Ayaw ko lang sa Jay.
We're going to class. What's our next stop? UCS, sabi niya USCP. USCP. Hindi kasi mas maganda
Understanding social and cultural.
Fisok Paul.
May ID kayo?
Picturean ko na po.
Nakakais.
Sino walang ID? Kami!
Pero I have a lace. It's the Ateneo ID lace 2. Fast picture. Ina, say hi to the vlog.
Hey, about me.
What's up?
Do you wanna time it first?
Di yan kaya. I already see it. 10 fucking sources and you're gonna see the title. I
No,
plan
no,
to
no,
not
don't
see
do
the
it, don't
title.
do it.
Brother,
Sorry. Naka 4 ka RWS.
Kaya?
Yes, sir. Mama.
Complete the statement. Wala sanang blank. Wala sanang blank.
Bobo.
Wala ka na. Taong huling nagpasaya sa'yo.
Jisoo.
I have Jisoo. The
fan. You know the fan.
You're gonna give me?
No,
Where is it?
I have talaga.
Where, legit?
Oo nga. Jisoo.
Oh, the name is Jisoo. What the fuck?
Jisoo life. Ano ba? Ano kala mo sinabi ko?
Wala
Ano
ko,
next fan?
Jisoo Phoenix na fan.
Maingay doon. MU mo? Your BFF?
Message para sa taong iniwan ka.
Blank.
Anong
Wala
blank?
naman eh.
Ikaw yung nang-iwan?
Yeah.
Break time!
14, 13.
Let's do Kung Fu. You introduce yourself. What star are you? Dito kulang sa how. Say hi sa vlog dito siya.
Hello. Ay, ay pala. I'm gonna remove something.
I did still want to say something about your
How do you feel that we're done with the presentation?
Good.
Diba I told you we'll do the PPT? Oh, we got a star.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ew! We're gonna do the continuation of Fast Talk. Yes or no, do you still love them?
Hey, what? Them?
Them, yeah. Mahal mo pa ba?
Yes.
Fast crush.
Hell nah.
Hashtag of your life right now.
Pogi. Twitter.
Bakit di ka crush ng crush mo?
Because I'm red flag.
At least aware ka.
Yeah, isa aware ako.
Sinasabuhay mo naman masyado.
Ha?
Sinasabuhay mo masyado.
Ano ba ganun?
It's like you're
Abusing.
No, parang you're making it your life. Like, tinototoo mo.
Built in my body.
We're done.
Missionary. Fighting missions.
Manicure, pedicure.
Money. Kasi nobody looks at the feet naman eh.
You should still clean your feet, bro. That's stinky. That's nasty.
High. Mid. Low. Ito mid to eh.
What's the low?
Mid yan.
What's the low? Do you like ano?
Maybe. I don't know if I like her or not because I don't like to ruin our friendship.
He doesn't know because he doesn't know if he likes her because he doesn't want to ruin their friendship. If you found out she likes you, what will you do?
Stay as friends.
We finished our classes for the day. We all have I see. Retire na kami sa IEA. Ano to? Like, ano? Yung may door ito. Gardenish. You wanna go there? Let's go. The best place. Ang laki niya. Ay, ito. I like this one, the blue one. I didn't know the bigger one. Look at it. Whoa. The bite's so big. Whoa. Parang first time ni Angela kita ng isda. I like big stuff. Like that. How big? No. Like that.
I like birds. So sorry.
Like that.
I like it. Wow! Pero kung nakikita si Shan, so parang mas malaki to sa iba't ibang fish.
Wala, nakakatawa eh.
Yes.
Cute ka.
4.0 ka ba?
I'm 4. Because I'm for you. Bye-bye.
Chomp chomp. Sabi niya aakyat pa. Pero, let's chomp chomp.
Actually, I might not eat.
I wanna buy TVs na.
Uy, yes. Shan, finally. Context, Shan is an athlete. Hindi namin siya nakakasama kapag after class or like kapag that free period. Hindi namin siya nakakasama. It's like, wala, bawal siya lumabas. So, she's with us.
Yeah, nag-a-adjust lagi sila.
For me, no, quality time. What? What's that?
Gusto mo? Bili ka.
Huh?
Pero may kasama akong bumili.
Be in Manila right now.
And then,
Say bye to the vlog.
Manila.
Kulang ng bigyan natin. Lang. Ayaw nga magbilang.
Okay na.
may 60 pa dito.
Yes, mental math. 60.
20 times 3.
200. 1810.
Yeah. 1810.
Eh, di ko wait lang, meron ba sa inyo na gano'n? Nagbigay ng, hindi saktong amount?
Ako?
Si yan, 20.
Ayun, baka kaya na, kasi di nyo pa alam yung service fee eh. Pero since may hindi nagbigay na saktong.
Nagalisan eh.
Oo nga, nagalitan
So
nga.
sila yung may kulang na naman. Bastos. Tapos mo dyan, you're gonna go back to school both of them. Okay, so sabay kayo. Kami, Tati, Ugo.
Bye!
Ingat!
Ingat!
Cause I'm falling slowly in love with you.
Kayo ma-action.
기다려.
End of the life. Ha? Ba't mo ginaya?